What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another unboxing. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you are returning, I appreciate y'all. Hey, we have officially hit 1K, y'all, so you know that celebration is coming. But today is all about me adding something new to the collection. This is a first, and I'm excited for you guys to see it with me. So before we get into it, make sure you guys have liked the video if you haven't already, and before you head out, make sure you leave a comment just to let me know what you thought about this sneaker, y'all. I have to tell you, this came off an assist, okay? I did not have any luck, but fortunately, Kim, thank you. You are the real MVP, man. I truly appreciate you. But with all that being said, y'all, let's see what's in this box.
Today, don't worry about tomorrow. Let's get lost in the covers until the morning comes. While sleep lives away just to wake up to someone else.
Okay, Kim. And it looks like she left it in the original packaging and everything. I'm laughing because Kim just thought that these things was hideous, but she did hit on a confirmed app, so I'm sure you guys, if you've seen the side of the box, you already know what it is. So, okay. Presentation, right? Actually, Kim did this. Kim wanted to make sure I had the official receipt, so she printed it out. I guess she understands that a lot of times we have to verify where we got things from, so I appreciate you, Kim. But yes, you see that 700 official colorway is Arzare. Okay. Listen, we know Yeezy gets a little crazy with the names, so hey, we just have to rock with it. But you do not see Boost on it, so you have a little pouch. Okay. It's different, y'all. It's different. It's definitely different, and you guys know I definitely like different things. I'm going to have to rest my eyes on these for a little bit. I definitely am. It is more of a futuristic type of style, type of vibe. Okay. Well, let's put it in the mix. Okay, guys. Straight into it. Let me just say, I was a little nervous going in. Because in my Yeezys, as you guys seen, I did get a size 8 in this. I typically can fit a 7.5 or an 8. Now with the 8, I do have a little bit more room, so you know I can wear those thicker socks and things like that in the winter time. And so with this bungee lacing system, I did not want to have to cut it off. So I was really hoping and praying that the size 8 would still work. And honestly, guys, it does, and it's due to the way that it actually fits around the ankle area. It's pretty snug, and so I'm not in fear of them flipping off or anything. So I'm actually pretty happy. But I do have the same spacing as I do with the 8 and the 350s. So they actually fit the same. So for anyone who's looking to pick up a pair of 700 V3s, they fit the same and run the same, in my opinion, as the 350s. So getting into, like I said, this futuristic sneaker, y'all. It's different. It's different. Okay, so we'll start with that outer sole, and as you guys see, it is kind of like a gum bottom, translucent type of deal going on down there. But then we have those pods that are more of like a orange yellowish type of color. Now, as I said before, this does not have boost. It has what they like to refer to as EVA foam. So it's supposed to be as comfortable. And then as we move into that midsole, we do have that, it's like a eggshell type of white. Now, when we get into the upper, a lot of people like to call this more of like an alien feel. And I actually like it. Underneath this caging is a type of mesh, and it's different colors that are going through that. So obviously we have that blue infused in there, and then we have gray in there, and then we also have a greenish tint to it. So let me see if you guys can really see that. There we go. So it's like a mixture of green and gray together is what it looks like. And it's no particular pattern, just a few lines and a few dots in there. But I think that it comes together pretty well. And like I spoke about this plastic caging around here, the dope thing about that is it does glow in the dark, y'all. So that's something that a lot of people are pretty excited about. You know, Yeezy is known for throwing 3M hits on different things, but to have that caging, I'm pretty excited about it. Now, as we move around to the front of the sneaker, your actual toe tab is like a rubber, and it's also a different color. It's more of like a grayish, in my opinion. It looks like a maybe like sail. It looks like a sail. It definitely isn't white, and then it definitely isn't the same tone of grays that run throughout the sneaker. So more of like a sail. And then as you can see, that tongue is going to be black, and inside of there you can see some of those hints of that 3M, that reflective in there as well. And like I told you guys before, what he's been doing lately is putting that bungee lacing system on there, which I do have a pair of 500 highs. So I actually enjoyed the bungee lacing system. I think it's another dope feature to add to his sneaker. And then we'll move around to the medial side of that sneaker, and it is identical to the lateral side. And then as we move to the back, you guys can see that Adidas with the 3 stripes right there. And then we get more of that plastic caging wrapping around the back that, like I said, is glow in the dark. So, like I said, as usual, right, the actual colorways, outside of the names being outrageous, very simplistic, not a lot of things to cover as far as the sneaker goes, but when it all comes together, just dope. In the inside there, let's see if you guys can see, the insole is black, and then you have a gray writing. And when you look inside the sneaker, so from the inside looking out, this upper right here, you actually can see through as well. So on both sides, that area of the upper is see-through. That's pretty cool as well. Pretty dope. Excited. Now that I've put them on and I see that the 8 fits with the bungee lacing system, it fits nicely without any issues. Now I'm excited. I am extremely excited. I've been wanting to get a pair of 700 V3s in the collection, and I finally got the colorway that I wanted to. I feel like if I would have went for any other colorway, I kind of would have been settling. So when I seen the images on these, I knew that I really liked them. It was just a matter of getting them in the collection. I did not hit, obviously, on any of the apps, and so I have to thank him for that assist again, y'all. Yeah. Before I get to this on foot with y'all, I do want to give you guys a reminder that we will have Rewind Wednesday tomorrow, and just to show you guys how much I appreciate everything that you have done so far, all the love and the support, I'm gonna have a giveaway to give back to you guys. So make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can tune in tomorrow with me and the gang, see what we picked up for the week, but also see what I have for you. So until next time, y'all.
I only have a few nights in town, and the only one I want is you. It's been a while since I've been around, I know. I just wanna spend this time with you. So don't tell me you got plans.